How to log into your Chase Bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Chase Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your choice, and in the web address bar, simply type in Chase Bank. After that, simply tap on the first link, which is chase.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Chase Bank, where in order to log into your account, you'll have to basically locate the login box, which is this welcome box right over here. So in order to log in, simply enter your username over here and then enter your password. Now once you tap on the option sign in, you will have successfully logged in or signed in to your Chase Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you've forgotten the username or the password of your Chase Bank, you can simply reset it by tapping the option forgot username/password, and once you follow all the steps, you will be able to recover them. And similarly, if you are not yet enrolled to online banking services, you can simply do so by tapping the option not enrolled, sign up now. So that is basically how you log into your Chase Bank's online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.